Okay, taking a look at problem number 4. Now, problem number 4 wants us to take a look at converting 40 psi. So we're going to start off with our 40 psi, 40 psi, and it wants us to figure out how many atmospheres that is. All right, very simple. We know, and you'll have to go back into your notes and look at atmosphere measuring pressure. It will have all the conversions for you. It will have 1 ATM equals, and then it has like 7 different types of things, 6 or 7 things that it equals. Okay, so we know that PSI, by looking at the list, is 14.7 pounds per square inch is equal to 1 atmosphere. Okay, so now just bring the numbers down. Okay, PSI cancels, boom, boom. We're left with atmosphere. That's exactly what we want. So 40 all divided by 14.7. And when we do this math, we end up getting 2.72 atmospheres. So that's how you do number 4. Okay, pretty simple. All right, number 5. Now, this one's asking you to start with, whoops, better put a 5. This one's asking you to start with 380 millimeters of mercury. And it wants to know right away how many kilopascal that is. Okay. So again, looking back at those notes, we know that 760 millimeters of mercury equals 1 atmosphere. And 1 atmosphere also equals to 101.325 kilopascals. Now, I went ahead and did this conversion here. You could just automatically have this because all the pressures all equal one another anyways, okay? Whether it's in millimeters of mercury, millimeters or inches of mercury, kilopascal, pascal, and so forth, okay? So they all equal one another because they all equal 1 atmosphere. But I wanted to show you the actual tools that we should be using. Okay, so millimeters mercury cancel, atmosphere cancels, we're left at kilopascal. Bring the numbers down. 380 times 101.325 all divided by 760. Now, I can see already, all right, you will, if you just crunch this in your calculator, you'll get this, but 380 goes into 760 twice, so I really have 101.325 divided by 2, and obviously 100 divided by 2 is going to be about 50 anyways, so our actual answer after crunching it into the calculator is 50.66 kilopascal. And there we go. That's how we figure out pressure.